3C1, check it out. I just want you to see what I have to watch all the time. We just get a flickery little pictures with square big blocks on it and expect you to be happy with that. I'm just going to go to the channels and show you what is actually my TV and they change it.
Jonathan, misleading. What I thought I might do
Yeah.
is I might just form a little tablet.
Digital TV. This is absolutely disgusting. How the hell am I supposed to actually get entertained by that? And they want me to pay a TV licence. Huh? No wonder I don't have a TV licence with all this bull. Smashing. I mean, this is what we're entitled to because we're power. We can't go to the Olympics, we have to...
You have to pretend everything's fine. I think if this last wasn't really needed it,
No, that is our Carpenter's Estate replacement for Carpenter's Connect, where we had TV and internet. Ain't it just marvellous? So let me keep going. How disgusting it is. I don't expect you to be satisfied with this. 7. Oh my goodness, something might be good on here. Oh, there we go. Got to the usual. Sick of this bloody thing. Can't even have something to take your mind off things.
Cleaning your kitchen, bathroom and lounge floors.
Oh, well, oh my goodness, we've got a channel what works. An advert. We're getting adverts. Oh, we're allowed to see adverts, so we can pump adverts into us. Advert worked, eh? Wow, one advert worked. Well, I'm putting this on YouTube. Let you have a look at exactly what crap we've got to watch.